We're doing some more addition today. Remember, addition means putting two numbers together. So this number is a part, and this number is a part. And we put a part plus a part together, and it makes a whole number. Part plus part equals whole. Remember how we were taking numbers before and breaking them apart? We took the big number, the whole number, and we broke it into two parts. Well, now we're taking those two parts and we're putting them back together as a whole. So the first strategy that we were working with was use a picture. And we were drawing pictures and then counting our pictures to help us add numbers together. We're moving on to another strategy, which is use counters. Now, when you're using counters, you can use your cubes, you can use your gems, you can use your little bears. You can use anything that you can count. If you have coins like pennies, you could use pennies. If you have pebbles, you could use pebbles. Anything can work as a counter. Today I chose my cubes. I like the cubes because they're just kind of soft and quiet. So I like my cubes. And so I'll be using those for my work today. Now let me show you how we'll do it. See, here's an equation on my board. 5 plus 3 equals, and then we'll need to figure out what that equals. So when you use counters, you look at each of your numbers and you get out that many counters. So for this number, how many counters will I need to get out? Right, that's 5. So I'll need to get out 5. And it doesn't matter if they're the same color or anything. I just want to get out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll recount just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got 5. Because with counters, sometimes it's easy to get mixed up with how many you get. So you want to make sure that you have the right amount, especially when you're doing it with bigger numbers. You'll really want to make sure. And then 5 plus 3. So how many should I get here? Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3. Now I want to know how many that is all together. What's your idea for how I could figure that out? Yeah. I can put all my counters together and count them and figure out how many that is. So let's see. If I put them in a group here and I move them over, I'll count them as I move them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And you might want to count that twice just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So use counters. Let's do one more together, and then I'll show you your work for today. Let's do... Oh, it's hard for me to write upside down. 4 plus 2 equals. Okay, so you tell me how many counters to get. You might even want to get out your own counters and practice along with me. Okay, so let's do it all together. So how many counters should we get for this first one? Okay, let's get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4. Did you get 4? Okay. Plus, how many should we get for this one? Those. 2. We should get 2. 1, 2. Okay, and then what do we do next? We have our counters all laid out. We've double checked to make sure we have the right amounts, and now we put them all together to figure out how much they equal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It equals 6, so I'll make a 6 here. Okay, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, now this is exactly what you'll be doing in your work today. You'll have papers that look like this. Hang on, it's really hard with the light shining on it, I know. There you go. Or you'll have equations. And what I want you to do for each equation is get out this many counters and this many counters and then push them together, see how much they equal. You're going to put your answer right there. Okay? So remember, you don't have to use cubes. You can use cubes or gems or your bears, whatever you want to use. But get out some to start with, then get out some more, put them together, add them all up, and then record your answer. Okay, go ahead and work on that today. See you later.